For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiskitimes.co.za. As Mamelodi Sundowns traveling to the old Peter Mokaba Stadium, the ICU of a pitch. Fortunately today there were no injuries. Mamelodi Sundowns beating Sekhukhune on a random Wednesday evening. Mamelodi Sundowns collecting 3 points. It means Sundowns are 15 points ahead of the log. Orlando Pirates are 4 matches behind in the Betway title race. It's very interesting. Let us know in the comment section if you think there is still a title race. I'm going to ask So Villagazi that same question at some point in our conversation. Mr. So-and-so, thank you very much for joining us. Mamelodi Sundowns, there was always going to be one winner, of course. Sundowns lose sometimes 4 matches per season, 5 matches per season. Most of the time they win their games. They were stronger tonight.
Mr. Mr.
So-and-so?
Ngibulise wena ngithi Stizi.
Yes, sir.
Ngithi Shane ngithi chairman my chairman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bese ngibenza lapha uBobo Khadoso noLindo Mkwena. Nginibulise nani emakhaya cela support njalo iDiski TV. Ngizobeka nje njalo angichingi futhi.
Mr. So-and-so?
Kabuyelo.
Masonda one.
Mr. Nkewo badlala ibhola you know i-team enemali idlala ibhola enemali. Ibhola leli ibhola enemali.
Expensive football.
Yeah, no. You buy for this football. You must go and buy it.
Private school football.
Yeah, no. Ayifuni la.
Woolworths football.
Awungeni ngo-8 uphume ngo-11 bese uthi uzodlala ibhola kanje. Ngeke Msikiwe. Kumele ungene ngo-8 uphume ngo-past 2.
Mr. So-and-so.
Yeah, bese bakunikeza ke extra classes uphume lapha mhlawumbe ngo-4 then uzodlala kanje ke. Msikiwe. Well done Kabuyelo. As always, I think they've shown the class, they've shown the quality. You know, yes, there and there. I like that when they make mistakes, it's Sekhukhune they manage to capitalize on that. That for me, that is football. When you make a mistake, then they must punish you, so that you learn that you don't make those mistakes. And I thought they would capitalize on the first mistake when they got a goal. Let's capitalize on that space because if Suarez uyeza lapho Suarez so akana speed, then we're gonna see indlela ngale. But I think as I analyze kahle i-game yakhe u-coach laphayana uSiyama, but nevertheless this team is something else, Mr. King.
Can you talk about Sekhukhune so before you talk about Sundowns?
Yeah.
We sense that they played with a lot of fear when we were watching them.
Yeah.
Every man behind the ball.
Yeah.
What do you think is going through Lehlohonolo Siyama's mind now, given that he's almost out of a job? Everyone is reporting that Eric Tinkler might be the coach. Do you think that affected his team talk tonight?
Yeah, you know, Mr. Nkewu, kubuhlungu kuba kule position kaSiyama, to be really honest, that you've been doing well with the team, and then all of a sudden now, you know, you hear there's somebody that is going to come in and take over your position without anything wrong that you did. I mean, again tonight, I'm playing against Sundowns. Anyone knows when you're going to play against Sundowns, the only difference is that how many goals
how much you're going to lose. Yeah.
That's all. But you know Sundowns are gonna beat you. I'm sorry, man, to be ulontuzana uSiyama because you know working knowing ukuthi already so hlabiwe already ukuthi bayipusha kangakanani ukuthi uzofile lo pain bese uya collapse. That's how it is kuye.
Do you think it affected his team talk tonight?
Kakhulu Mr. K, because you know one thing about football is that the body language of the players, they tell you. Yakubonisa body language ukuthi man something is not right.
So nakuba abadlali they know the writing was on the wall.
Yeah,
ukuthi angeke sikulalele kakhulu ngoba awukho kusasa.
Wena vele njengoba sako Downs, i-Downs izosidla wena kusasa awukho vele. So akusizi ukuthi I must pay attention to you because kusasa ngizobe ngena ngo-10 o'clock for Eric when uzobe ungekho. And that's sad, Mr. Nkewu. You know, that's sad that meaning there's no respect to our coaches, because if there was a respect, you know, even though Bamfunu Eric, but there is a way of doing this
Keep it
thing.
quiet.
Yes, because I'm sitting in this hot seat, planning to go and attack Sundowns, and then I hear all this noise. Psychologically, young Shire mina, and the players, obvious players, one way or another, they will find it. Okuto vele lo yahamba is confirmed. Just waiting nje ukuthi Sundowns ushaye sibone ukuthi shaya ngakhe but yahamba. And I'm sorry for to see him being in that situation, and yeah, but
It's a tough situation for him. Let's look at Sundowns. Scored a lot of goals tonight. The interesting thing is that we saw Sales receiving, turning and scoring, and we saw Shalulile for the whole match trying to trap the ball 7 times, falling with it sometimes. I think that's an interesting contrast, is that Saleh is not a brilliant player, player, but from a basic standpoint, he received the ball, he turned with it, he shot it outside the box, he scored a goal. Ushalulile takes him 7 times, 5 times to trap 1 ball. What do you think about that situation there?
Ilento le esinokhala ngayo sithi our players la South Africa yabashaya technique. Because trap and pass and move, it's something that we don't have to. It's part of makhanda ngayo. And when you see Ushalulile ukuthi uba na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an area where you can have 2 touches and the ball is in, then it's worrying a bit. And look at Usales. I was a person ukuthi Usales beng right off now. No Usales imbongolo ayikindanga ngayisiza ngayi Sundowns. But in the recent games, I see him when he comes in, he assist. He
makes an impact.
Yeah, he makes a difference. Every time when he comes in, he makes a difference. And look, tonight he came in. That 10, he made it actually. He played 2 touch, then the ball was in the net. Because that trapping yakhe, azange will trap le yakudala. Eyokuthi onyathele bese uyathena uthena wakho so uyalungisa bese uyashaya. No. Ulinyathelile wathena. No.
Then it's shot. It's a goal.
The technique yakubonisa lapho ukuthi this is a quality player. And yeah.
Can I ask you an interesting question?
Yeah.
What month is it now? February.
Yeah, February.
Sondela match.
Yeah.
Nge 1 January, which player did you think was the player of the season? Be honest.
Yeah, no.
Just answer the straightforward question.
No, I thought Mfukeng is going to take it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Nge 27 Zaga February.
Yeah.
Which player do you think is the player of the season now?
Lucas. Ribeiro is something else, Mr. Keo. He assists, he scores. He's a main man at Sundowns, especially when it comes to that final third. He's the one who links between Abu Mkwena Lapayana and the striking force Abu Shalulile and Navorenas. He's the one. He's the link between the end. He does his job very, 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 very well. Because if you can see even now, the way he created the chances, Renas, he missed another chance. Lapayana, Shalulile, he got a pass from where Ulonduzana Lucas. And Mr. Keo,
you convinced that the debate is over?
Yeah, no.
I still wish Mufukeng, but I think it's fair. You can only say what you see with your eyes. There's only one player of the season.
No, the other difference is that Mas Kulman Jamak, honest. When we watch the last 3 games, Mufukeng.
Yeah.
And the last 3 games, Garibero.
And you can even stretch it to 5.
Yeah.
Last 5 games.
Then you can't compare.
It's child.
Yeah, no, it's all over. Unless something miraculous,
unless an injury.
Yeah, an injury, Lucas, and then
again, in the last 10 matches.
Yes.
But I think as it stands now, there's only one.
No.
I don't think it's a debate anymore.
No.
All right. I asked the people who are watching at home, what do they think about the title race?
Yeah.
On or off for you? Ama games in hand where Pirates are 4. It means if they win, it's 12 points.
Yeah.
Gushuguti, it will be a 3-point gap. But in real life, Sundowns are leading by 15 points. Pirates don't have those points at the moment. For you, very shortly, do you still believe in the title race?
Ithemba libulale. Hlala ethembeni.
Up the Bucks.
Ezimnyama ngenkanza khephula umuzi kamasipala hlala ethembeni. You'll never know, Mr. Nkewu. This is football, especially, you know, into zakhona zinokwenziwa, Mr. Nkewu, ngoba mase sifika la sesithi sifuna ukufika khona. Sikhona ukwenza kwenzakala. So, we still have,
Mr. So.
yeah, no. Esimnyama.
Ayivala ngomthandazo, Mr. So.
uNkulunkulu wami naze simnyama ngekanza kephula umuzi kamasipala sawenza wawo ukuthi ithuba lisekhona konke kusezandleni zabo ukuthi bangene egroundini. They must take each game as it comes. Forget about the 15 points, play your game, and if you can focus and play your game, uNkulunkulu will do the rest. Focus, work hard, the rest leave it to God. God decide the last game. Amen.
It is TV, it is Times, what's betting.
All abafowethu bongani bobomnisi bafowethu ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.
All abafowethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.